Everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. It's day 6 of our Quarantine Gardener daily video journal.
Happy Sunday, everybody.
Happy Sunday. Hey, you can probably tell, maybe you can't. It's kind of sunny here. The weather keeps changing on us, but it's a nice day out here. I hope it is where you're at too.
But it's kind of a hot day, if you know what I mean. So we're kind of feeling tired today.
Yep.
I don't know about you guys. It's the weekend, but it's like it's been a lot of anxiety and build up this week of just all the news, and you just got to turn it off at some point.
Yep.
That's what we're doing.
Yep. Today we're just gonna do a us day.
We're having a self-care day. Right?
Self-care day, definitely. Yep. And so that's basically gonna be us knocking out a little bit of work, but then we're gonna do us. We're gonna do things like lay on the couch, watch some TV, do some reading, maybe dig into anything that we haven't gotten into yet, and just do us. So we hope that you guys can take some time today too and do the same thing.
So we're gonna keep this pretty short today, and we did do some work yesterday, and maybe we'd like to update you tomorrow.
We'll update you in the next day or two. So, but yeah, just take care of each other out there. We're in this together, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Have a great day, everybody.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.